How to connect Discord account to Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to Reddit. So first of all, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner over here. And after that, under the account settings option, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply tap on the add section from the top right corner again, and over here you will be able to see the different options. Just simply click on the Reddit, which is the second one in the list, and now it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your Reddit account first. And once you have successfully logged in into your Reddit account, after that you will be able to see the option called continue in order to easily connect your Discord account with your Reddit account. You just simply have to tap on continue, and your Discord account will be connected with your Reddit account quite easily. So this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account with Reddit. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.